Fresh new tank. You know you gotta do a pull after getting a fresh tank. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. What's going on, YouTube? Bringing y'all another POV. Damn, can't talk. POV number 4. I'm already off work, man. I went home, showered up. I'm on my way to AutoZone right now. I was trying to do my brakes yesterday. It went horribly, bruh. Like the worst. Like, bro, you watch people on YouTube, bro. I know how to do mechanical work too, bro. Like that's what I do. Like my job, I don't work on cars, I work on heavy equipment, but I can also do smaller vehicles. So you know what I'm saying? I do know what I'm doing, but for some reason when I want to work on my stuff, like everything's like rusted up. The little pins that go in the caliper, bro, they're all rusted. They don't want to come out. I bust my finger. I don't know if y'all can see that, bro. Look, I put my busted my finger, man. Bro, yesterday was horrible, man. After I made the video yesterday on the highway, I cooked myself literally. And like almost when I'm trying to like do my brakes, it starts thundering too, bro. I'm cooked. Yeah, so that was an epic fail. So I went to go get some stuff from AutoZone. Cooked again. All their stuff was, look, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this dead blow hammer. Look, can y'all hear this? Bro, they got BBs in my thing. What am I dead blowing? Bro, it's like a maraca. Bro, I can't hit nothing with this, dude. And then I bought this thing to get the, what's it called? To get the pin out of my caliper. Bro, it's rusted. Look at that, bro. They gave me, got rust flying all over. That's dangerous. They gave me one that's all rusted up, bro. Like, how am I gonna, bro, nah. Returning this, not trusting AutoZone again. Bro, just go take, if you need parts, bro, just skip AutoZone. I know a lot of people go to AutoZone. Go straight to Harbor Freight. I promise you, you're gonna find a lot better stuff, bro. A lot better. Now that I'm done ranting, bro, I'm gonna keep saying, bro, give me a bro counter. Yeah, after I go to AutoZone, return all that, I gotta go to Harbor Freight and give me the new stuff, and I'll show you the stuff I get there. I mean, honestly, it's gonna be the same stuff there, just way 10 times better. Actual, like, what's it called, punches, an actual dead blow hammer. Honestly, I don't know why I don't got this stuff. Cause like all the stuff I work as at like work, I don't got like, I got like standard tools, but like these other, like, you know, I got some tools at home now, but I don't got all the stuff that I would have like for my work. Is that M3? Holy glaze. Stock though. Still M3 though. Still M3. I'd love to get an M3, bro. Dream. One of my dream cars. I got a lot of dream cars, man. I'm pretty sure every car guy has a, like, at least a list of 10 cars. I'll be like, yep. Like after this car, I might get an S2000. Bro, there's so many cars that I want that are around. Like the next car, I'm gonna try to go up like something around like the $30,000 range. Hopefully something, you know, maybe something newer, maybe something older. I might get an old Skyline. You never know. Those things seem to be holding up value. Okay, I feel like I could make, maybe, I feel like after, like, you know, owning a Skyline, you know, you could break even, or, you know, make a little bit. Hold on, I think I know those people. Make a little, or maybe even break even, you know. But yeah, I was looking at some S2000s too, but I love the bodily. I'm trying to say body style. I don't know why I say bodily. I love the body style in the S2000s. Can't go wrong. Anyways, let me shut up and just drive. Bro, who's honking, bro? I swear, like every video there's somebody honking. Bro, I'm not going slow. Put my seat back so y'all can probably see better, get a better view. Bro, I remember when I didn't have no tent, I would have been blinded right now. I used to, like, not hate, but it sucked recording and the sun's facing inward, bro. I can't see. I don't know how it looks on. I think on camera it's pretty okay. I think it was just me, like, personally, I couldn't see. But yeah, man. Hopefully AutoZone takes it back. I'm hoping and praying they take it back, bro. Don't be an L, man. Don't be an L company. Take my stuff back, bro. Own up to it. Y'all gave me Dollar Tree half booty material stuff, bro. Come on. I like AutoZone, you know, when it comes to air fresheners and stuff, and getting small stuff and stuff to wash my car, but not tools. I'm over here checking on the tools like they're gonna run away. They're not going nowhere. Bro, Atlanta traffic sucks. But yeah, man, we're at 298. We're like literally 98, 99, 300. Nah, I'm just playing with you. I know how to do math. We're like 2 subscribers away from 300, man. So if y'all can do the favor for me and subscribe. 98% of the people that watch my videos, tripping. That was like a while ago. I checked last time. It was like 88% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, man. I post POV drives. And yeah, man, I'm trying to expand the channel. I'm trying to do a lot more. I should do a lot more. I know I could do a lot more other stuff to make the damn, bro, I stutter bad. I know I could do a lot of other stuff to make the channel grow a lot more, and I'm trying to do that, but you know, there's a process. Let's see if AutoZone could be a W man's right now. All right, I'll be back, y'all, and I'll let y'all know how it turns out. Damn, Land Rover. That's why you don't buy a Land Rover, dude. Look at it. I don't know what she's so happy for, bro. Your car's getting, bro. You're not getting no discount, dude. Take the L. Never buy a Land Rover. Anybody who has like any type of car knowledge would be like, yeah, don't get a Land Rover. They're cool. They look cool. They look nice. Nice luxury car, but you're gonna be paying a lot, like in maintenance. For like the money she paid for that was like 34, 40,000, bro. Damn, bro. It sounds like I'm just hating. I mean, you can't really hate if you know the knowledge, you know what I'm saying? I guess it's only hating if you don't know nothing about it and you're trying to give input. If you know about it and you're giving input, you're just giving advice. Oh, I think I cook with that. But all right, y'all, I'll be back. Let's see the people take my stuff. Bro, these people are such a L, man. They don't want to take it. I got it from a different location just down the road. I came to this one because it's like headed towards where I need to go, the Harbor Freight I'm going to, but I don't know, man. They said this package is opened, I guess. I mean, I guess it's valid, but like, bro, like, and there's always this one dude here that always says no. I tried returning something else last time. Bro, people are just taking. I mean, like I said, I mean, I respect it as a job, but I mean, sometimes they be taking this, like, they be taking it too serious, dude. Like, it's not that deep. Oh, is that a scratch on it? Oh, can't take that back. It won't sell. I'm like, bro, it's a little scratch. What you mean it's not gonna sell? No. Anyways, I'm not gonna trip about it. I'm gonna take it to the original location where I got it from. Hopefully they'll take it. Hopefully. He said he could have taken this without even looking at it. Like, I'm like, bro, you didn't even look at this one. How can you know you could take this but not that? Anyways, like I said, not gonna trip. We're just gonna go ahead and see if this works, and yeah, if not, we're gonna head to Harbor Freight with no money in our pockets. But that's alright. We'll just keep it, I guess. Them punches suck, dude. Oh my gosh, like I literally busted my finger doing that. Alright, but I'll see y'all in a little bit, because we're in standing traffic. I know this is boring. Take that back. We're gonna do a pool right now. Damn, my camera's about to die. This video's gonna probably have to end soon. I'm gonna do one pool before this camera dies and before this video ends. Do a pool right here. Hopefully some cops around. I don't see no cops. Ooh, what is that, a Type R? No? SI? No, nothing? Just a Civic? Okay. Holy, either we're going really fast or everybody else is going really slow. What's that? Let's get some turbo sounds too while we at it. This car is just slowing down. Hold on. Oh, so sneezy. Give me a tissue. Man, bro, I low-key don't want us to put the camera down. I want to get some, you know, sneezy sounds before I cut the video. We'll drive till the camera dies. Once the camera dies, we'll call it wraps there. I want to get some more sneezy sounds, you know? You feel me? That's how Fly laughs. Y'all know how Fly reacts? Yo, did the camera die? Oh, I was about to start tripping. I'm like, oh no, no sneezy sounds. Alright, not that window. That window's too loud. Somebody already told me this. You can't hear it. Ay, el poli! Don't turn around. Yes. We're driving good. We're driving safe. All of these recordings of me driving are AI generated, so there's nothing to worry about. Dang, hace calor, hace calor. I've been in this house right here, man. This house is so nice. Bro, I'm supposed to go to the gym today. I've been lacking, bro. I need to honestly motivate myself. Like, it's crazy. Like, I'll honestly find anything else to do but go to the gym. Bro, if y'all still watching, man, like and subscribe. I don't want to be doing that. I feel like it's annoying. Like, there's no reason for me to keep telling y'all, like and subscribe. It's just needless. What am I doing? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? Why am I doing that? Y'all should already be subscribed. Oh, that was nice. Damn, did I broke the dog's neck? Even the dog had to break his neck. So look. Can we break his neck? No. Kids only look at like loud cars. They don't understand the sophisticated sounds of a twin turbo. It's traffic. Kids only look for, you know, GT350s, VQs. That's what they're looking for. They don't care. They don't worry about the. They don't look at that. They don't look at the. Ooh, that's a clean 350. Put some what's them lowered TikTok sounds? Lowered car TikTok sounds. Alright, bro, I'm driving my car way too aggressive. I'm starting to freak out. Put this thing back in regular mode. But yes, you guys, this is a sad end of. Bro, I don't want to cut the video. Like, the camera's about to die. How much is it? Can y'all see that? Damn, it's on yellow. Cause I wanted to get to Harbor Freight too. Like, I had a whole, like, bro, I don't know why I didn't charge the camera. Cut. We just run it out. If y'all still watching, bro, y'all are G's. If y'all still watching, let me know in the comments if y'all still watching, man. Let me know if y'all watched the whole video. I'm sweating balls. Turn the AC up. I get out of work to not be in the heat. What am I doing? Turn the AC on. Look at that bicycle. But I'm not gonna lie, I be breaking necks. Even motorcycle guys, like standard cars, I'll be breaking, like, standard cars, cool guys cars. I'll be breaking people's neck just because of the tent. Bro, chrome tent, people gonna look at you. If everybody else notice you, let's believe the police notice you. I don't know how I haven't gotten pulled over, but it's honestly, I'm thankful. Hold on, am I gonna have a chance to put my car back in normal? I don't know if this is just me, but I don't like to switch in between the manual mode and the regular, like, driving mode. I don't like to switch in between while I'm driving. I feel like it's bad for your gearbox. I've never heard of